Today we have the G.Skill Trident Z5 RGB. Now this is a 32 CL kit, which should give quite low latency when it comes to gaming. This is a DDR5 kit. It's 32 gigs. Let's open it up. Okay, so we get a G.Skill sticker and we get a G.Skill QR code, which helps us set the XPO or the XMP, depending if you're going to be using this on Intel or AMD. We've obviously got our two sticks, like you can see over there. This is quite nice in terms of how it looks aesthetically so far. We're going to have to see how these perform later on.